Hello everyone, I am Sridevi from CCAB Institute of Engineering and Technology. In the last video, we have seen the basic introduction related to intrusion prevention and detection, what's the difference between the prevention and detection, and also we have seen a case study related to unauthorized login. Before moving to the types of intrusion detection system, so let me highlight what is the events of interest. So what is the variable used to monitor the events? First one is number of the access to a specific file, how many times the attacker has tried to access a particular file. Based on that, the possible attack is being generated. Then what is the type of the IP address every time the attacker is trying to log in, and how it is being spread into the other systems, and the TCP connection that is being established to a particular port number. So these are the various events that are being monitored, and what are the possible attacks that are being uh, generated. So now we'll see into what are the types of the intrusion detection system. The first one is the anomaly versus signature based, and the second one is the host based versus network based. The first one is anomaly versus signature based, where in the anomaly they are trying to determine based on the behavior of the system related to the normal of the system. And in this one, the normal or the behavior, they are trying to learn over the time how the normal activity is being there, what is the behavior of the system. So as we have seen in the previous slide, the activities that are being generated by the attacker, they are trying to monitor. In the signature based IDS, they are trying to identify what are the specific events the attacker is trying to do, and whatever those attacks they are being generated, they are referred as signatures, and these signatures are maintained in the database, based on which the uh, the action is being taken. And also these signatures, based on which these signatures are monitored and what might be the possible attack, based on this the alarm is also generated. The next one is related to host based and the network based intrusion detection systems. In the host based, very simple, they are trying to look after the packets that are flowing through the network. And the second one is it is not vulnerable to any worms and the virus attack, and it this sort of an host based intrusion detection system is deployed at the multiple points in the large organization. When coming to the network based IDS, it is mainly looking at the software that is implemented, and we are looking at the operating system that is being loaded. Now here the main job is that we have to make sure that what type of a data is being accessed, how many times the data is being accessed, so that the audit is being carried out for the system, and based on that one they are going to identify whether an attack has been occurred. So this is a very much important information that is maintained. And based on this one, file system integrity checks are being made, where it is easy to identify any changes are being made to the files that are already present in the system. So these are the different types of the intrusion detection systems that are being identified. Hope the concepts are clear for you people. Thank you.